Hey guys, I'm Hester and this is Handmade Home. With Easter fast approaching, I've teamed up with Hobbycraft to show you how you can turn a wicker basket into an amazing floral egg basket. I'm not just going to show you one way, no, I'm going to show you 2 different ways how to achieve this amazing look. So all my craft supplies today are from Hobbycraft and I'm going to show you how you can turn this little basket into a floral egg basket for Easter. I'm going to show you 2 different ways how to do this. We're going to make some felt flowers, but also going to show you a quicker version which is using faux flowers. And this is the basket we're going to decorate. It's the long handle basket from Hobbycraft. And let's start with the felt flowers. I'm going to show you how to make 3 different kind of flowers and some leaves. And let's start with this flower. It looks a bit like a chrysanthemum. You're going to need a rectangular strip of felt. You're going to have it at least 5 centimeters wide, and this is the length of your felt. The wider or longer your strip, the bigger your flower. Fold the strip double and make sure it stays in place with a little bit of glue. Then use your scissors to make little incisions in the felt, sort of till 2/3. Be careful not to cut all the way through. Grab your hobby wire and we're going to glue it to one of the end bits of your felt. Apply a bit of your hot glue, then dry a teeny bit because you don't want to burn your fingers, and stick your wire in place. And then we're going to simply roll the piece of felt up. Every now and then just apply a little bit of glue to keep the felt in place. And with the end bit glued firmly in place, all you have to do is fold out the petals and your chrysanthemum is ready. Next up is the rose, and to make the rose we need 3 strips of felt. You need a thinner strip, a medium strip and a wider strip. The width of the strips depends on how big your rose is going to be. Mine are roughly 2, 3 and 4 centimeters wide. And then you're going to cut the strip in little rectangles. Have these around 1.5 to 2 centimeters wide. Cut rounded corners on one side of your rectangle to create little petals. And now you can have big petals, medium petals and small petals. Take one of the small petals and apply glue to the base. And you're gonna stick the wire here and fold the petal around the wire so that your glue cool down a little bit. You don't want to burn your fingers. Pinch it in place. Then you can take another small petal and you're gonna fold this around the petal you just attached to the wire. This is gonna be the heart of your rose. All the other petals you apply in the same way. You're gonna start with the smaller petals first. You're gonna fold these around the 2 you already have. Then you're gonna move on to the medium petal and eventually you're gonna have the bigger petals. All the way around until you end up with a rose looking like this. Play around with the shape of the petals to make different kind of flowers. Like here I'm gonna make a bit pointy so it looks more like a dahlia. Next up, my favorite, the Ranunculus. I love this flower, and what you're gonna need is a mini version of the chrysanthemum you made. Just a smaller rectangle. You're gonna put your craft wire in and fold it to make the little heart of the flower. You're gonna need a circle, and the circle you're gonna cut a sort of wobbly spiral. Just move your scissor up and down to create nice curves in the spiral. Go all the way around until you hit the middle. Apply a little bit of glue in the middle. And stick the little heart that you made, the one that looks like a mini chrysanthemum, into the middle. And then you're going to simply fold the spiral around this little heart. Just keep adding little bits of glue to keep the flower in shape. And your flower is almost ready, it just needs a leaf. From green felt, cut a little leaf shape. Just like a stretched oval with points. Make an incision in the middle, stick your craft wire to this little hole and then glue the leaf to the back of your flower. You can make all different kinds of leaves, a bit like the ones we just made. You can give little incisions on the side for your texture, or you can cut proper leaf shapes. And what you're going to do, apply a little bit of glue to the middle, put in your hobby wire, Push it in place and then keep it in place with a little bit of spare felt. You're gonna flip the leaf over and also apply a little bit of glue at the base and then just pinch the sides together to create a really lovely leaf. Make sure you don't burn your fingers here, guys. With all your felt flowers ready, it's time to decorate. You just simply push the wire through your basket and then wrap the wire in place. Just wrap it around the basket a few times and snip the excess wire with your pliers. I'm gonna attach a couple of flowers, around 4 or 5, and also add a few leaves. And my little egg basket is ready. I love this felt egg basket, but let's add a little bit more drama and go for the faux flowers. You start with pulling the flower heads off their stems. With some flower heads you might be able to pull them off. What you can do then is you can just get your pliers, push them right underneath the flower head and snip the flowers off. And then get your trusty glue gun, apply glue to the base of the flower and simply press it in place. It couldn't be easier, guys. I'm starting with the biggest flowers, then moving to the medium ones and ending up with the smallest flowers. Just stick them wherever you think they look good. I only did the sides of my basket, left the front and back clear, but you can apply as many flowers as you like. So what do you think? Which basket is your favorite? Would you go felt and just use a few flowers to decorate the basket, or would you go completely over the top and use all the faux flowers you can get? I don't really know which one is my favorite. I might go faux, because I just love how completely over the top it is and I can't wait to use this basket on my Easter egg hunt. All the projects used in this video are from Hobbycraft. Have a look in your local store or go to hobbycraft.co.uk. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and have a look on my website hester'shandmadehome.com for more craft ideas for your home. I'll be back soon with a new video. Hope to see you then.